So if you're interested in following me this year, I'm in everything that I do in my garden. I just want to show you what kind of seeds and plants that I will be doing this year in my garden. So if you like any of these or are interested in doing any of these plants, or you've struggled in the past with some of these vegetables, then just follow along and I'll show you exactly what I do, and you can mimic everything that I do. So here are some of the seeds and plants that I do in my garden each year. You don't have to start your plants from seeds if that intimidates you, or you've never done that before. You don't have to do that. You can buy them from the nursery, but still follow along with me, and I'll show you how I transplant these plants out into my garden and how I take care of them after that. But I do some parsley and cilantro and basil. I do a variety of lettuce for salads, and I do tomatoes and onions, cucumbers and carrots, and I do a variety of peppers, and I also do some sweet corn, and I think that's about all I do. So follow along. If you want any help from me, I can answer your questions along the way. And you do want to be ordering your seeds soon. If you don't already have your seeds, get them soon. A lot of times places do run out of seeds and they get sold out. So the two places that I would recommend, there's a lot of good places online, but you can see a lot of my seeds come from migardener.com, and trueleafmarket.com is another one that I would recommend. Honestly, there's a lot of good places online to get seeds from, so any of those would be fine. These are ones that I've saved myself, so I can also show you how I save my own seeds, the ones in the brown bags there. But follow along with me, and I can help you along the way. Thanks.